Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of blinking, that their camera is blinking and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone. Simply restarting your iPhone can often fix temporary glitches and software issues. To turn off your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is close your camera app. Close the camera app and reopen it again. To do this, you have to simply open the camera app on your iPhone and then close it. And try reopening it again and see if the issue persists or not. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for third-party apps. If you have recently installed third-party apps for camera, they might be causing conflict. Try installing them and see if the issue persists. If it still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, open the general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your iPhone's camera is still blinking, then our last step is to reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply open the transfer reset iPhone. You have to then tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone camera blinking issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.